Hey there, this is John from Hula Boat Care, and today we wanted to do a quick little video on what you can expect when you get one of our convenient carry kits. Carry kit number 5 comes with the essential products you need to maintain your boat, whether you're brand new to boating or a seasoned veteran. Our kits all come with a convenient little carry bag, so you can take your products on and off the boat very easily, 3 microfiber towels, and most importantly, the 3 main products that most boaters will use on a regular basis to keep that boat looking good. The first product we have is our RAD number 5 interior cleaner, great for all your Gator Step EVA foam services, as well as deep cleaning vinyl. Your water spot remover, exterior cleaning, removes water spots, lime, calcium buildup from gel coat, glass, brightwork, towers, speakers, all your hard surfaces. And last but not least, our vinyl cleaner and conditioner, which cleans, conditions, puts a UV protectant on most of the marine vinyl surfaces. This kit is great for any avid boater.